Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you are first time here in my channel, by the way, my name is Indra and now I'm on board Carnival Radiance. So I'm a cruise ship worker, I'm working on a cruise ship. And by the way, now I'm in the open deck right now. So I'm covering the open deck area, which is, that's why I'm wearing this very thick jacket and also the bonnet because it's very cold right here. It's freezing, really freezing at this time, and we're having bad weather earlier. We have heavy rain, and also the ship was moving, is rocking. So yeah, now the rain is stopped, all the deck is wet. We cannot do much during the rain, and now we need to start cleaning after this to be make it ready in the morning, so for our guests to enjoy their day here in open deck area. All right guys, okay guys, now I'm on deck 9. A lot of people here, and on this side, this counter is the big chicken counter. So you know, big chicken is a brand from Shaquille O'Neal. Hey man, it's cold man. So big chicken, which is a burger with a nice crispy chicken, and also we have a big shack over here. Is, I don't know if this is the original size of him, so he's way bigger than me. And also we have the hand frame over here. I don't know if you can see it properly. So way bigger. Now we are in the main pool area. So this is the main event happening in open deck, all the activities, games, and now we put the pool empty because the water inside the pool also affecting the stabilization of the ships. So during bad weather mostly the ship command will inform us to empty the pool. So the pool is already empty, right? Okay, but now the weather is getting much better, calm down, right? Previous day was really bad, but now it's okay, very cool. And we have a big screen there behind me. That is the movie theater. Hi guys, so now I want to bring you to the bow of the ship, which is the very front part of the ship. This is the bow of the ship. Yes. Alright, I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good idea now. Okay, guys, I will go back inside because it's really bad. The weather is bad, and also it's raining. Okay. Right, we get back inside because I cannot stay outside there. It's raining and it's very cold. Okay. The best place now is in the cabin. Okay, actually I'm planning to show you the bow area there in front of the ship, which is the crew area only. And we are in Ensenada at this time. Actually I'm planning to go out, but unfortunately the weather is not allowing me to go. So I will bring you another day to go there in the front, and I promise for that one. Okay, so since the weather is bad, and also it's already late right now, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so I need to get sleep, and I will start again at 6 o'clock later. Alright guys, so